Good morning, everyone. This morning we are going to talk about a kind of sociological subject. A social subject about the nature of human nature. Someone has given us three different types of people that we must never forget them. These three types of people are number one, those people who helped us when we were going through difficult times. They helped us. Second were who shunned us, who left us when we were going through the difficult times. And the third type of people were those who actually put us in the difficulties of difficult times. These are the three types of people we must never forget. We are going to elaborate one type at a time. Number one is those people who helped us when we were wading through difficult time. Wading through means going through the difficult time. We must never forget those kind of, good Samaritans who helped us when we were going through the difficult time. We did not have anywhere to turn to. We did not have any kind of hope. We did not have any kind of anticipation or aspiration from anyone. There was nobody over there who was there to help us in that kind of scenario. When someone is going to help you, to enable you to fight through the difficult times, fight through the difficult times. Those people must never be forgotten, must be remembered till infinity, because those are the divine type of people, totally divine type of people who help other people in their difficult time to navigate through the difficult time. If nobody is there to help you to navigate through the difficult time, to wade through the difficult times, then chances are that the person is going to succumb to difficult times. Person will never be able to emerge out of difficult times without a scratch. But people can vanish. People can perish in the difficult times when they don't have any kind of help to get from anyone. Point number two, those people who shunned us when we were wading through the difficult times. The second type of people, selfish, devilish, satanic people, totally the kinds of Lucifer. Lucifer type of people, they shun you. They are close to you. They are always there. They are going to call you 10 times a day during the better times of your life, when your chips are up. But as soon as your chips are down and you are in difficulty, these people are going to run away like migratory birds. They will shun you. They will let you suffer in the misery of time, misery of circumstances, misery of any kind. They will not be there to give you a helping hand. This kind of selfish, totally devilish, satanic people are the second type of people. We must not forget them. We should precisely remember who helped us when our chips were down, when we were in difficulty, when we needed help. And we should also remember who shunned us when our chips were down and we needed some kind of help. We were in a misery of difficulty, to our neck-deep difficulties, neck-deep troubles, neck-deep miseries, who helped us, who hurt us, who left us. Third types are those people who put us in the misery of difficulties. These are the third type of people. We should not forget them. Difficulties don't actually come ipso facto by themselves. Difficulties don't happen, but difficulties are caused. Difficulties don't transpire by themselves, but difficulties are caused by other satanic, devilish type of demonic people, dragonic people. If they are around us, they are frenemies. They look like enemies, but from inside they are frenemies. Overtly, they are friends. Covertly, they are enemies. They are frenemies. These kind of frenemies people who put us in this kind of misery initially, who caused the miseries for us, who created this kind of trouble for us. Never forget that kind of people as well. So if you are smart, then you are going to remember very precisely and very tenaciously who to remember, who to never forget. So you remember those people who have helped us when we were in any kind of difficulty, when our chips were down, when our days were negatives, when we did not have anything positive going around us, when we were actually mired or marinated in black swans. At that time, who helped us? Never forget the names and the faces of those people until eternity. And don't forget the names and faces of those people also. Satanic people who left us, satanic and the Lucifer type of people who deserted us, who abandoned us when we needed them the most. They are the friends of fair weather. When our weather was fair, when we were rich, when we had everything, when our chips were up, they were all around us wagging their tails. They are like a doggy dogs. They are coming from the canine family, dog families, and they do that. But as soon as our chips were down, they left us. As soon as the sun was down, they left us. As soon as the night fell, they left. And the third kind of people we must never, ever, ever forget are those people who created difficulties for us, troubles for us, problems for us, and made us to shed tears in the dark of night, in the wee hour of night. Never forget those bastards, never forget those satanic devils and demonic people who are all coming from the canine and the feline communities. They are not human, but they are absolutely vampire in the face of human. So these are the three types of people we must never forget. First type of people who help us. Second type of people who shun us. Third type of people who caused us all kinds of difficulties. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.